Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Lamborghini Huracan. Launch control is a fantastic feature designed to give you the quickest possible acceleration from a complete stop. It manages engine power and wheel spin to achieve optimal grip. Before we begin, make sure your Huracan's engine is fully warmed up to its operating temperature, typically around 90 degrees Celsius or 194 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent any undue stress on the components. To activate launch control, first, ensure your Huracan is in the Corsa drive mode. You can select this using the anima switch located on your steering wheel. Once in Corsa, firmly press and hold the brake pedal down with your left foot. Then, with your right foot, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor. You will notice the engine revs climb and hold at an optimal launch RPM, usually around 5,000 RPM, indicating launch control is armed. With launch control armed, the engine will be holding at a high, consistent RPM, typically around 5,000 revolutions per minute. This is your cue. To execute the launch, simply release the brake pedal quickly and completely. The Huracan's advanced systems will then manage the power delivery and traction control, propelling you forward with incredible force. You will feel a powerful surge as the car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. After releasing the brake, keep the accelerator pedal fully depressed to continue your rapid acceleration through the gears. Remember, launch control is designed for maximum performance, so always use it responsibly and in a safe, closed environment like a track. It's also a good practice to allow your Huracan's engine and transmission to cool down for a few minutes after performing intense acceleration runs to ensure longevity and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.